Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and share this video with other family and friends to also benefit. After hatching, a brooder coop, as I call it, is very vital for chicks to keep them safe and protected with controlled temperature and access to food and water. It is crucial for their early development, especially since they are vulnerable to predators and unable to regulate their body temperatures effectively right after hatching. Why do chicks need a brooder coop? The answer will be provided before the end of this video. In today's video, we'll be learning how to construct our own chicken coop. After brooding, birds left on free range are exposed to a lot of predators like hawks and stuff. So we tend to create our own small coop that can accommodate the hen as well as the chicks, whilst giving them optimum protection. So and we'll be using this small wire mesh. We'll be using it, these ones to be using it, some few pieces of food, board. We have our nails over here, our hammer, our tape measure and stuff. So without wasting much time, we will proceed to the agenda for today. But then, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos and share it with family and friends for them to also benefit. We have a lot of videos that we've done similar great stuff like this, so you can go back to our channel's page and watch those other videos as well. So we'll proceed with today's video. Nail the 4 feet and 2.5 feet wools together at both ends, forming a rectangle. Now, with the help of a tape measure, mark out the center of the 2.5 feet wood and nail the 2 of the 1.5 feet woods in the center of it. Nail the remaining 4.5 feet wood on top of the structure at both ends. Nail 2 1.5 feet wood pieces at both ends, forming a triangle. Nail the metal mesh on the base at all edges. Nail the wooden board 3 edges on the metal mesh. This is to provide cover for the metal mesh. Cover the apex of the isolated area with a piece of roofing sheet. This is to prevent rain from seeping through the end. Keep watching closely and carefully till the end. Don't skip any part of the video. We have answers to most of your questions at the end of the video. Your comments, your suggestions are welcome at the comment section. You can bring them there. I will personally answer each one of them for you. It's getting interesting. This is the last part. Now we will be covering this whole structure with the wire mesh, which is coated by rubber. This helps to prevent the mesh or the metal mesh inside from rusting. This is durable. It's most preferred to the ones that are raw metal. This one is being coated with rubber, so it doesn't rust easily like that. So everything is done and dusted now. This is their gate. So they will be kept inside. And this is the compartment in case it is sunny or rainy and they want a place to relax. This is the relaxation place for them, with the wire mesh that they can hide over there. So it's already complete. Now I'll be going to the coop to catch the hen together with the chicks and keep them there to protect them and keep them safe from hawks and other predators. So let's go. So it's time to provide water. Feed will also have to be provided for them. So their feed and water have been provided for them, and they are really loving their new place. If you get these for them, to keep them secured from predators, like I said, from hawks, from snakes, and other animals that can eventually feast on them. This is a means to protect your young ones when they are being hatched. by the brooding hen. So I'll keep them here for a while before I transfer them to a permanent place. They are simple and easy, and it came at a relatively no cost at all. You can try these ones at your various homes and your poultry farms and give us the feedback. Like this video, share this video with other family and friends for them to also benefit from it as you've benefited from it. Share this video on other platforms and with other family and friends so that they can also benefit from this video. It's simple and easy, but very durable. Protects your chicks from predators.